Hello everybody, Penny Stock Whispers here, doing a stock chart video analysis of BTZO, that's the Bitzio Incorporated. Our last trading day was Friday, September 19th, where we saw a previous close of 0006, and we closed up on that day at 0007, giving us a plus 16.67% overall gain on the day on a great volume of 12,324,070 shares. However, we did see a low of 0004 and an open of 0005, so there was some potential for even greater gains, which I think is going to carry over into the coming week for BTZO. Got some fantastic looking indicators, great profit potential, and all of our indicators are showing some serious buy signs. So I want to get started. We're going to look first at our 14-day RSI. It's at 47.89. Doesn't get much better than this. We have had this nice gradual incline here. That's a good solid uptrend that we've been seeing for a while, finally breaking up out of that, about to cross over that 50 into the buy zone. Huge bullish indicator. Trading between that 70 and 50 is exactly where we want to be. So like I said, it doesn't get much better than 47.89 on that 14-day RSI. Down here on the daily chart, seeing some great things as well. You can see we have some strong support right there, that 0005 where we saw an open at on Friday. However, we closed above a couple big lines here. We got a 12-day, 13-day EMA. It's this pink line right here. Closed above it, finally broke out of this resistance that we were seeing of 0006, moving up towards our 26-day EMA. That's going to be acting as our new resistance, which is also just about the same as our upper Bollinger Band. So keep your eyes on that. We had a nice strong bullish indicator here. We saw our parabolic SAR finally flip underneath our candlesticks, and that's always a good thing to see, along with volume being on the rise. You can see that we've had bigger candlesticks here, or bigger volume bars here, and that's going to reflect nicely on our accumulation once we get down to that point. I do like that our Bollinger Bands are coming together. We have this nice channel forming here, and we aren't too far off of that 50-day moving average. Could be our next ceiling to hit, and hopefully we could see that pretty soon, early in the week in my opinion, because we do have a fantastic looking MACD right now. We did just see a strong crossover here not too long ago. We've been gradually moving up towards that zero line. Love to see that happen here soon. Let me draw this line up for you. Yep, like that. We have a nice little uptrend growing here. Histograms flipped over in the end of August, beginning of September. Should have been a good sign to get your guys' get this on your radar. If not, not too bad, because we did just cross over on the 15-day tricks. Now, the short-term tricks is one of my favorite indicators, crossing over that change of direction here on the end of August, sometime right around here, that September 4th area, September 3rd, very beginning of September, we saw this change in direction. This is a good sign that you can see some things about ready to make a change on the charts. But the biggest important one is that we crossed over that signal line just recently, or sometime around the 10th, 12th of September. So keep your eyes on this. This is moving up strongly as well, up towards that zero line. Good thing to see. Now, if you're more of a long-term trader, it looks like BTZO is going to be heading towards a strong long-term trades, as well as our tricks. 30-day tricks is coming together to pinch with its signal line as well. Should see a crossover this within the next couple days, maybe a week or two if we get lucky. So tricks lines looking fantastic. Keep your eyes on those. Slow stochastics looking great. Crossover the signal line, and we're up heading towards that 80. We are currently between that 80-50, 77.78 to be exact, and that's always a good thing to see. This is a strong area to be in, and just like our RSI, we did see this gradually kind of move up over the last week or two, so that's a good thing to see. Nice solid base forming here for the BTZOs. Slow stochastics, and moving on past that, we're taking a look at our CCI next. Got a 20-day one going here right now. We did just dip underneath this negative 100, but we made a nice bounce back twice here, and both of those were higher than the previous time. That is a definition of an uptrend moving up towards like that, and we are about ready to cross over that zero line up into the between the 100 and the zero line right now. We're only at negative 11.70. Good place to be, moving up nice and strong. I'd like to keep your eyes on that one as well. Now, stochastic RSI is looking really fantastic. We are currently maxed out at 1 on the RSI, but we have a 14-day moving average, kind of just to level this out because this is such a volatile indicator. We are in that perfect region, just like everything else in this chart so far. We're between that 0.8 and 0.5. This is a strong bullish buy region, showing a lot of strength and a great foundation. So check and money flow also looking great. We've been climbing steadily for the last week or two. Everything's just turning around for the stock. Got some strong investors coming in, got some strong volume, strong buying as well. So check and money flow looking fantastic. ADX lines looking good as well. You can see that the ADX line is gaining strength and relevance. It's currently at 29.61, and I like this because now we have suddenly our positive and negative DIs coming together very fastly. This convergence is going to be signaling an uptrend here. Once they come together, this can move incredibly fast like you've seen in the past. They can cross over at any time. So if we can continue to get some nice strong volume days, some big heavy increases in our PPS, this should flip over pretty nicely. And since it is such a strong number currently at 29.61, that should bode well for us here. So moving on to the PVO. Everything's looking great here as well. We came back down after this peak here. That's good. It's some strong consolidation in my opinion, and we are moving up again. We aren't just like continuing to go down. We found a base, we found our foundation here, and we are beginning to move upwards towards that signal line crossover. Love to see that anytime now, so keep your eyes on that one. Money flow index looking good, 59.41, and moving up. We have been gaining strength on this as well. Like I can say, everything else on this chart is just moving up. We're seeing a lot of strong volume, a lot of strong trading, and really strong investors here. So MFI, my bad, is looking good. It's at 59.41 and moving up. Last we get to accumulation distribution. This is my favorite part. You can see that we've had some massive accumulation lately, and this is going to bode well for all of those indicators that we've been talking about before. That volume has really been strong, really been accumulating, and we like that a lot on this chart. So BTZO looking fantastic. All of these indicators showing some serious strength and big breakout potential, some massive profit potential. Keep your eyes on it. If you have any questions or comments, I recommend that you leave them in the comment section below. Love to take a look at them, answer any questions you might have. And if you need more information about BTZO, we've got a couple different options for you. You can go onto our website, pennystockwhispers.com, punch in your email address. We'll be happy to get everything out to you. We're putting out a lot more information about this stock and many others, so stay tuned. If you're on the go, whether you have Android or Apple, you can go and download our app, Penny Stock Whispers. Just type that into either your Google Play or your iTunes, and you can download this free app. It's great. It's got everything you need. It's got charts. It's got Twitter. It's got market information, and also our featured stocks. So thanks again for watching. Hope you guys have a great time. Best of luck in the markets tomorrow, and we'll see you soon.